it's supposed to feel.
Hey guys, so I look really crazy right now, but that's because in order to complete this look, we are going to need a wig that I got from Wigs. So the first part of this video, I can't talk. Yeah. The first part of this video is going to be a wig review before we get on to this cool 2000s MySpace era look. I'm super obsessed with this. I miss in my feels so much lately. I miss my MySpace days, all the scene girl era days. So we are going to do just that. And I want to use like a wig that reminds me of that time period. So this is their blonde streak black synthetic lace front wig. You guys are gonna see that it's gonna complete the look, and I'm gonna style it on camera and do all this really fun stuff to make it look like MySpace era, kind of McBling era a little bit. This isn't gonna be necessarily seen, but kind of like that in between, like Rock of Love, like 2007, like, you know what I mean? Like if you grew up in that time or you're aware of that time, you would know that was my time period. I was like 12, but I admired those people so much. It was like the Tila Tequila era and all those MySpace babes, Raquel Reed. Like I miss that so much. I was obsessed. I lived for it every day. So this is a 20-inch wig. It's heat-friendly synthetic fiber with an average cap size of circumference 22 inches. And it's going to be a lace front, so we will be cutting that, and it's up to 170 degrees Celsius with adjustable straps and 3 combs for a secure fit. So all of these come with a free wig cap, and that is just the details of the wig. You can use my discount code, which is Nicole. It's going to save you 10% off your purchase. So that is really exciting. Everything else will be linked down below, but let's take a look at this wig. I did take a peek, but they all come with this, just like a normal bag with some really sturdy bobby pins, which I absolutely love when wigs come with that, and a wig cap. Now I have my own wig cap on just because I already wanted to put one on. So let's try this wig. I haven't tried it on yet. I've taken a peek, but I haven't tried it on. So this is how it looks. I feel like this is going to be the vibe, you know what I mean? So I'm going to cut the lace. So what I do is I just get really close right here and I just cut it. Usually with my wig reviews, I used to just like trying them on, but this time I've found some of my wig reviews were really successful when I actually like styled it and did my own thing with it, because that's what you guys are here to see, not just a boring wig review, but styling as well. Okay, so let's just put this on before any styling. Oh my god, my makeup looks so crazy. Like I'm not used to this like MySpace era makeup because I was too young. I know I tried, but whatever. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. Like I said, it has 3 clips and 1 adjustable strap. This is how the inside looks. I've reviewed with Wigs before and they have really, really great wigs. So I just wanted to get like a try on going, and yeah, so I'm just gonna pop this wig on right over here. Oh my god, and immediately, you guys, the wig already is really great with the cap and lace. So I'm going to use the adjustable straps right here. So I'm already feeling that really like MySpace look. So we're gonna obviously zoom into the hairline. I don't recognize myself. I really look like I'm trying out for Rock of Love, but let's zoom into the hairline so you can see. You can see right here, it's an extremely natural hairline. Like you can't even see where the lace is. Like you wouldn't even be able to tell that this wasn't my real hair. Like the synthetic shine is very minimal, and if you add just a little bit of concealer right here, it's gonna look perfect. So what I actually wanted to do, guys, was straighten it a little bit on camera so that way we could see how it handles heat. Like I said, the synthetic shine is very minimal on this wig. It's a gorgeous length. I love the layers in the wig, but overall, I mean, I look like a completely different person, but I like it. That's exactly why I like wigs, is I like to play around. But this is how it looks like. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the length. As you can see, it has some layers. Now I wanted to give this look like more straight, maybe even some more choppy bits, but who knows, I don't want to ruin the look of this wig. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna straighten it. So I'm just gonna straighten this wig and see how it holds up. Yeah, I feel like if it looks straight, it'll give that more look that I'm going for, and it straightens really beautifully. There's very minimal synthetic shine, so you don't have to worry about it looking wiggy. Man, this is a beautiful wig. I'm loving the way it looks now that it's straightened out. I haven't noticed any shedding so far. It's doing really well. There's no like nasty synthetic burn smell so far as I'm straightening it. It's straightening really nice, and I think it looks amazing straight. Yeah, that looks awesome. I mean, this wig is super 2000s, and I'm definitely super into like these 2000s type of wigs. As you can see, it can do a numerous amount of styles. I really love the way that this looks. I'm obsessed. Like, if I didn't hate myself with dark hair so much, like, I would really be super interested in doing this. Yeah, I think this wig looks really beautiful, and I just love the blonde. Like, you could do so much cool things with it. You could do like a bump and have that signature look with the bangs. I absolutely love that. Now this looks amazing. I am so obsessed. It goes so well with this look. I'm ready to take a bunch of photos, and I can't wait. And then you can't see like the seams anywhere. It just looks flawless. And let's try like maybe a look like this. And you could do that waterfall hairstyle, and it still looks like it's your actual hair. Like, I'm extremely impressed. Let's see how it looks if we do like pigtail style. Yeah, that looks good. And that's exactly the type of look I am going for. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. It's everything that I was looking for the whole MySpace era. And I haven't done a wig review in forever because honestly guys, I've received a few wigs in the past couple of months and they have not been it. And I'm not gonna come on here and just lie and say that I love a wig when I don't. So this one right here definitely checks off all my boxes, and it's beautiful and it styles really easy. I've been doing a bunch of different looks with it and styles, and I just can't wait to continue to do more. Like, you could do some really cool hairstyles with this wig, and it holds up really well. Like, with the right styling and gel and all that, like, you could really turn this around and make a super powerful statement wig. I just love the color. It's super 2000s, and I'm just super obsessed. At first I wasn't sure just because I felt like the color looked like very Cruella de Vil, but now that I've been playing around with it, it definitely has its own look. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this wig, everything will be linked down below with my discount code, so feel free to check that out. But if you came here to watch the makeup, let's move on to that.
Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lot of foundation and place it all over my face. I am using a tan foundation because when I'm looking at these old pictures of the MySpace queens, a lot of them had those like crazy fake tans. Like, I'm obviously not going to go orange or anything, but I wanted to give myself more of a tan. And it's actually matching my overall neck and shoulder area. For some odd reason, my hands, chest, legs, and feet and face without foundation are super pale. I guess that's my natural color, but for whatever reason, I wear a lot of spaghetti straps, so my shoulders are always exposed. So they get tan. So my shoulders are always super tan. It's really annoying. I don't know how to fix it. I try to put sunscreen on it and try to protect it. I don't know. My shoulders just tan very easily. Now I'm going off topic. I am using a really bright concealer. I'm going to try my best to conceal my eyebrows just to make them a little thinner. So you can definitely see the hairs underneath my concealer, guys. Let's just pretend we don't have that issue. I have thicker eyebrows now. I don't have thin eyebrows. I used to have super, super thin eyebrows back in the like early 2010s. And it was embarrassing, but I guess it's coming back now. I mean, I don't blame it. I'm going to use the Beauty Killer palette because Jeffree Star was an icon during the MySpace era. I remember when I first found out about Jeffree Star, I was obsessed. I loved all the makeup looks, like Raquel Reed. He was hanging out with her a lot, and there was just so much cool stuff. Like, I feel like I'm walking down memory lane. Like, I just miss this time period so much. I really do. Okay, so I was just taking that stark white shade and placing it underneath my brows. I will place a reference picture for what I was going for, which is this one right here. I found this picture on a McBling 2000s MySpace picture thing on Pinterest, so I wanted to do that. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the Jeffree Star palette. Guys, it's a little dangerous to go in with black right away, but I felt like I was going to do okay. Honestly, this was MySpace makeup. There was no such thing as influencers. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there were, but I mean, at this time, everyone was doing their makeup kind of messy and all over the place. Makeup was really becoming super huge in 2007. I mean, makeup was always a thing, but like I'm talking about makeup artists being super famous and whatnot. I don't know. I might just be rambling at this point, but I just know that makeup wasn't all like super, super perfect like it is now. Like, you make a little mistake now and you don't know how to do your makeup. Well, back then, there were so many mistakes. I mean, crazy raccoon eyes, but this is what I'm going for. It's the MySpace era makeup where everyone had raccoon eyes, big, weird lashes that were super clunky towards the end, and brass knuckles around their neck, super teased hair. It was just the time to be alive. I was in 7th grade when I first made a MySpace, and I was super obsessed with all these people. And the best I could do was hot pink eyeshadow on my lid, and that's it. But I did have like an eye patch, is what we called it, for bangs that just covered one eye. And I thought it was so cool. And then in 8th grade, I got the scene haircut. I don't have any pictures. They're all lost on my photo bucket, so I can't even show you guys. But I had got the scene haircut. Used to wear the tiny little bows in my hair. Super, super skinny jeans with Thunderbolt black shirts. I just miss it. I just remember how excited I was when I used to edit my top 8 on my page or do HTMLs. But can I just say that us people who grew up in the MySpace era, we're super good at coding websites. I mean, like, that's like what professionals do these days. I can't even code a website to save my life now. And I took a class in it and I almost failed. And I don't know how, when I was like a master coder in the MySpace days. But yeah, I'm just like reliving all these memories. I feel like nostalgia has always been popular, but it's like extra popular now for 2006 to 2018, pretty much. Like, people are missing 2016. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm just have the raccoon eyes. I lined my lower lash line, and you're going to want to take some clunky lashes. I just found these. They have no name, but they're just super thick, like spider lashes that I found, and I'm just using them. And I remember I wore lashes like this for prom, and I thought that I looked horrible, but this is perfect for this look. Then I'm taking like a gem. This is supposed to be kind of like a piercing right here, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I am lining my lips with Strip Down by MAC. You don't need to do this. A lot of the times girls didn't even wear a lip liner back there, but I feel insecure when I don't wear a lip liner. It's just gonna look like I'm dead, so no. Then I am taking a really orange bronzer. The oranger, I don't think that's a word. The more orange, the better, just because this is MySpace makeup. Guys, this is not supposed to be modern at all, so if you're expecting this to be like modern and up to date and not cancelable, I don't even think makeup can be canceled, but you know what I mean. Like, makeup that's not practical these days, it's not. This is the wrong video you're on. We are using concealer for lipstick. And that's why I'm using lip liner, because I feel like you wouldn't be able to see it. And I'm using Turkish Delight by NARS, the ultimate 2010s lip gloss. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial.
Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed this MySpace era inspired makeup look. It's definitely fun, definitely brought me back to my childhood, and I'm just living for it, and I'm obsessed, and I'm so glad that all these styles are coming back. If we can bring it back, it'll feel like it's still here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.